string pins and saddle can either be made out of hard plastic or bone. The bone is the most expensive, but also has a much better sound. The neck should either be perfectly straight or have a very, very slight bow. This gives the strings clearance or room to vibrate without touching the frets. On the electric guitar, the string height is normally checked at the 17th fret. The clearance between the 17th fret and the bottom of the string should be around 4/64 of an inch. The electronic tuners that clip to the headstock are probably the easiest and quickest way to do it. The A major chord can be played by using the first, second, and third finger. The first, second, and third finger are placed on the fourth, third, and second string directly behind the second fret. The A minor pentatonic scale starts on the 6th string at the 5th fret, then goes to the 8th fret, the 5th string at the 5th fret to the 7th fret, the 4th string at the 5th fret to the 7th fret. To make our A minor blues scale, we're going to add 2 notes. The 5th string held down at the 6th fret and the 3rd string held down at the 8th fret. Our 12-bar blues progression in the key of A starts out on the 4th string held down at the 2nd fret, then goes to the 4th fret, back and forth for 4 bars. The first one that we're going to look at is known as reading music notation. This is where all the individual notes of a song are listed on the music staff. The second one that we'll look at is known as guitar tablature or tab.